It's an honor and a pleasure to actually talk about how Carnival went here for 46 years. I find that Saba Carnival was extremely great. It's very tiresome now in the end, but I can see that a lot of people came out from other islands and also joined in with us to make our festival a success. So from the 15, what we started off with was with a teens party because teens aren't really allowed to every event for Carnival. Some have an age limit. So we actually had a teen party for them. And then we kicked off to a promoter having a warm-up session, which went very well. And then Sunday we had a small kids parade where we had Funtopia from St. Martin. We had some people in mascots, including myself, and some little kids in some little costumes that were created just for them. And the kids really enjoyed themselves. And from after one round around the bottom, we then proceeded to the Juliana Sports Field, where Carnival is actually held. And there we had a little more activities going on until 10 that evening, where it ended. On Monday, we had the opening of Carnival, which started with a jump up from the village of St. John's down to the bottom, where the commissioner and the Carnival committee, we then officially declared Carnival 2022 open. That event lasted until 2 in the morning, where we had bands and DJs. Also, we had bands brought in from different islands as well to perform for us. That went Juve starts at 4 and it ended at 8. We had two trailers on the road with DJs on each trailer, and the revelers really enjoyed themselves for Juve. When you look back at some of the pictures and the videos from Juve, it was like I myself was like astonished to see, how the revelers enjoyed themselves and, really showed, that, it takes a lot because all the effort that is put into this, that they can actually come out and enjoy a Juve, and be one with each other.
Yeah.
It was nice to see. It was really nice. With little time to go, parade started the same Saturday. And parade had to start at 3:30, but one or two hiccups, so we started at 4, and where we had 4 different groups. We had God of the Elements, we had Mystic Revelers, we had Jungle Juice, and we also had a troupe from St. Martin's, Swaliga Cultural. So it was a pleasure also having a group from St. Martin take part with us this year, and therefore it made our parade spectacular and beautiful, because from the pictures I'm still watching them now, that I can actually watch them, even though being in the parade and delegating and making sure it goes smooth, I now can sit back and really watch the pictures and see that the people of Saba are really talented.